Let's talk about trademark products. Should you sell trademark products on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, using their advertising platforms such as Facebook ads, Google AdWords, using influencer marketing, Snapchat ads? Hi, I'm Nex from Pixel Nex, and welcome to my YouTube channel where I talk about online businesses, about e-commerce, about entrepreneurship. Now I'm going to get straight to the point and say that the answer is no. No, you cannot sell trademark products anywhere, anytime, especially if you're doing it for a profit in your business, which is the reason why people do it in the first place, right? Before I go further into this, let's first define what are trademark products or trademarked items. What does trademark mean? Trademarks are basically legally registered or established words or symbols used in representing a company, its products, and/or its services. That was the definition from Google. So, trademark products are products that have established logos or brands or symbols from very established companies, very popular companies that everyone knows about. For instance, from your favorite TV shows or movies such as Star Wars, Marvel, DC Comics, and so on and so forth. So you cannot sell these items on Shopify, especially when you're dropshipping. It's actually very easy to find these kinds of products in AliExpress. When you do your product research, you just type in like Captain America mug, and then there will be a mug with the Captain America picture on it. You have the Marvel logo on it. You have the Avengers. Pretty much it's very easy to find these kinds of products on AliExpress. Now, just because it's illegal doesn't necessarily mean that it's not possible. It's possible, but it's very illegal. Now, the only way to make this legal is if you have an authorized, signed written consent from these companies to sell their products representing their brands, their logos. Plus, there's a whole line of process, a whole long line of process to go through, documents to clear, going through your lawyers and everything. And in the end, they also get royalties or cuts from the profits of the products that you sold successfully with their brands. So that is definitely not an option for you because you'd be spending too much money. The money coming out of your pocket is going to be too much than the money that's coming into your pocket, especially when you don't have that money to begin with. Now, there are some people who successfully sell these items. They dropship these items from AliExpress in their Shopify stores to Facebook or Instagram. They were able to do it. Like they could sell Superman blankets, Batman shoes, Star Wars mugs. It's very easy to sell these kinds of items to the society because they are very familiar, the customer base are very familiar with these products. Now, as I said, there are some that do manage to get away with it. They can sell small volumes of it, but it is not worth it. Trust me on this. It's never worth it. Just think about your long-term plan. You want to be able to get to a point where you're very successful in e-commerce, in your online business, right? You want to get super high sales volumes, super high profits, and be able to potentially maybe teach it off to other people. If you sell these products, you might get a small traction in the beginning, a small initial fast traction. Your products will sell, but it becomes a real problem when you start to scale up. When these brands, these companies find out that you've been making a profit off of their brands, off of the merchandises representing their brands, they are going to pursue you in the court of law. When that happens, and I say when, not will, when that happens, you're pretty much screwed. Your business is screwed. They have super big resources. They're fully equipped with money, teams of lawyers, proof, Pretty much everything that you can think of, they have it to crush you and your business to the ground. Thus, in the end, just sell non-trademarked items. Steer clear away from trademarked ones. I understand that it might be more appealing to sell Star Wars because you're a very passionate Star Wars fan, but please, it's not worth it. Plus, there are millions, literally millions of non-trademarked items on your AliExpress that you can dropship from there. You have loads of products to choose from, so you're not limited to just trademark products. And most winning products from Shopify gurus who've actually made it to the top and everything in e-commerce, they've made big profits off of non-trademark products. When they scaled up, when the item was trending at the time, when the customers really loved that product at that time. Remember, there will always be potential, but stay away from things that will crush your business. That's all I have for this video. Let me know in the comment section down below about your thoughts on selling trademarked items on Shopify, especially when you're dropshipping. Let me know about your opinions. If you think that there's maybe some way to circumvent that, a loophole maybe. If you found the content helpful, consider subscribing and hit the bell icon that comes with it so that you'll be notified of future video releases. Remember to grab your free Shopify Dropshipping Hackbook down in the description below. It's a beginner-friendly step-by-step guide on Shopify dropshipping. Also, there's a link down below for a free 14-day Shopify trial. Now, disclaimer, it is an affiliate link. So if you do use that link to make a purchase or anything, I will receive a small commission, but it will come at no additional cost to you. It just helps support the channel, helps me create more content for you guys to help you and your business. Just check out the platform for free. Play around with it. See if it suits your business model. If it doesn't, then just cancel it. And here's a bonus tip before I end this video. If you found that the 14-day free trial given by Shopify is not enough, maybe you have other errands to do. Maybe you cannot spend that much time. You have to go to work. Just ask for an extension of the free trial from Shopify. So you can do that in two ways. You can either email Shopify at support@shopify.com, or you can go to the URL in the browser help.shopify.com/questions and just ask for an extension on your free trial. I hope this video, the hackbook, the bonus tip helped you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.